Hi, good day everyone. As per the thumbnail, you people know that this is a video regarding SAP Security and GRC, the corporate grade training videos. See, I'm making this video. I'm creating this video because I'm moving to another technology. So I am providing you these SAP Security and GRC recorded videos from the corporate trainers we are using in our company to give training to the beginners as well as for the IJP candidates, like internal job posting candidates, okay, for the nominal price. Okay, I'll just show you like what exactly I'm giving you in the form of SAP Security and GRC. Okay, first of all, just a moment. First of all, why ordinary tutorials fail? Because whatever the recorded videos or documents I'm giving you to learn SAP Security and GRC, this is not ordinary tutorial. Because in ordinary tutorial, what happens, they are teaching theoretically only, so there is no real time tickets they are showing or no client emails they are showing. So no step by step screenshots for error free practice, no interview questions mapping to real task, or you can say on topic wise they never tell about the interview questions. So this is the problem with the ordinary tutorial. But I am providing you any corporate training approach, because whatever the training material or training recorded videos or documents I am providing you, that is all we are using in the corporate level. Because in this the trainer is corporate trainer, not the institution trainer. So training from the corporate trainers who have more than 20 years of experience in teaching. So these videos are using in companies to provide training to fresher or to IGP candidate. As I told you, in our company we are using these corporate training videos to give training to the beginners and IGP candidates, like internal job post candidate. For example, suppose the candidate is working in a desktop or system admin, he want to switch his career to SAP, then we are providing training to those candidates. So beginners or non-SAP background candidates can easily understand. I mean, like whoever want to learn SAP, they can easily understand, because that kind of beginners to advanced training has been given. Systematic and step-by-step approach is provided by corporate trainers in these videos. Real-time job-oriented training. So real-time job-oriented training in the sense we are showing the real-time tickets, real-time emails, how the emails are coming, how the tickets are tickets are raising on particular topic wise we are showing here. I mean the corporate trainer showing here. Now 5 steps training methodology. Here the corporate trainer explain the theory, I mean the concept of the subject, and plus the real-time scenarios. So practical lab is showing. So interview questions and model answers they are providing, so that on topic wise, so that the candidate should understand what kind of the interview questions asking on that particular topic. So real client emails or tickets show on discussed. So here what happens, whenever they are mapping any kind of configuration in SAP Security and GRC, that corporate trainer showing the emails, how the emails are coming, how the tickets are raising, what kind of tickets are coming, and how we are going to reply. Okay, those things are showing, so that you are getting exposure to the real time. So topic wise screenshot notes for practice. So they are also providing like a topic wise notes, so that you cannot do, whenever you are learning from these recorded videos, you should not do notes for yourself. Already they are given on notes, step by step notes given with the screenshot. If you follow those steps, you can easily do the practice in your system. Now course content is what is the course content? See, in SAP Security, like beginner to advanced, we are providing the recorded videos like users, roles, SOD, segregation of duties, etc. In SAP GRC, SOD rules, access request, compliance reporting, and S4 HANA security also we are going to cover in this set of training videos. So what exactly it included? So English. See, I am providing you 2 set of SAP Security. 2 set. One is beginner to pro and one is beginners to advanced, plus 1 set of GRC. These are all training from the corporate trainers. Okay, they are not institutions trainers, they are all corporate trainer and they are real-time employees. Plus SAP Security S4 HANA videos also I am providing, plus 1 set of SAP Security. Sorry, it is HINDI is actually Hindi. Suppose if anybody are looking for Hindi also, 1 set of SAP Security we are providing, because SAP Security we recorded, and that we having in the form of Hindi language. So I'm just making correction. This is actually Hindi. Okay, so Hindi one set of SAP Security plus one set of English GRC plus SAP Security S4HANA English HANA videos. I mean, there are some people like they want they want to learn SAP Security in Hindi, so they can easily understand and they can learn. But one thing is, see, you only SAP Security Hindi is available, not GRC. GRC only the part 1 we covered, other things we not covered, because we till I complete those videos, I just move to another technology. Okay, you are getting step-by-step configuration document. As I told you, it's a screenshot. With the screenshot you are getting, so you need not to do any kind of notes. You just follow those notes and do the practice. Then PDF, ebooks, ECC notes, interview question and answer, all the things we are providing. Okay, so what is the career benefit? For example, see, you can easily, if you are following all the recorded videos, like whatever the set I told you, like 2 set of SAP Security, 1 set of GRC, 1 set of SAP Security S4HANA videos. Okay, so if you follow those videos, so you can easily crack interviews confidently. Okay, even as a fresher. Perform real-time task independently. I mean, see, because whenever the corporate trainer teaching, they are showing the real-time scenarios. So they are talking about real-time scenarios, showing emails, they are showing the tickets, so that that help you to perform real-time tasks independently. You should not depend on anybody. Easily handle real-time work environment. Okay, I mean, you should not be panic. I mean, you will not get panic when you are going to handle the real-time work environment. So easily you can handle. Reduce dependency on others. So you need not to depend on anybody, because you are getting very good. You are getting a good knowledge from the corporate trainers. Now pricing and packages. See, English. Very nominal price I'm giving you. English 2 set of SAP Security. Suppose if you are looking for English, so in English you are getting 2 set of SAP Security, the basic to pro and the basic to advanced, plus all study material, whatever I show you, all the study material, like ebooks, PDFs are there, configuration document, everything. So that is amount is only 4,999. So Hindi you are getting one set of SAP Security, basic to advanced, plus English GRC, plus all study material. I mean, including above also you are getting 2 set of SAP Security. In English also you are getting with the Hindi. Okay, so that amount is 5,999, because 1,000 you are giving extra, because in Hindi the videos are not available on SAP Security GRC. So that's the reason 1,000 extra we are going to charge. Now contact and enrollment, like utilize this corporate grade training to grow your SAP career. What I can say for you people. So English SAP Security and GRC beginner to advanced, Hindi SAP Security and GRC beginner to, these are the 2 courses we are going to provide, so that you can go and buy it. I provided all the links. I provided the link to buy these courses. It's a very nominal price. If you want English, 2 set of security set, 1 set of GRC, and another set of S4HANA Security S4HANA, 4,999. So I am providing the link in the description. Just to go ahead and click the button. So once you make the payment, you are redirecting to the downloadable document, so that you can download all the things. I mean, all the whatever I am promising you in this PPT or presentation. So all the things you are going to get it. Once you make the payment, immediately the system will redirect you to the download page. You can download all the materials, all the videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.